Yeah, you know what that means. It's another Gremlin day. I'm about to leave, go pick up the big boy at the Bat Cave and head up to a car show at the Evel Knievel days. Last day of Evel Knievel days, and we're getting started. Here comes Sin in the background, as you can see. And we're going to go get some footage. So let's get this thing started. You ready?
I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, you ready? Gremlin day. Let's get going. I remembered when I took off really hard in it, you fucking got a little fucking scared and jumped, if I recall right, when we
I know what the hell you're talking about. When you did that, we ended up doing a complete 360 on Harrison right after we left the car wash. I completely remember that night.
No, I'm talking about when we went to the old 8th mile drag strip and I did a quarter mile drag strip out by the college and did a quarter-mile run. And you were sitting there gritting your teeth while we were accelerating.
I don't know what the fuck you're talking about, you liar.
This is the old Butte Bus Depot. My dad was lead ticket agent here for 25 years and worked in this building. And the buses used to have to come down, turn right and show them down that alley. Buses used to have to come down that alley and then come back down here. And they would turn into that big opening here. Turn into that big opening there and then go down and park in there. They had a bunch of bus parking spots there for unloading and loading. And it's probably not there, but there used to be a little, I don't think it's there anymore. Well, the doors are there. But I used to play in here as a kid.
cry all my life till I met you, girl. It's simple, oh, you're really cool. You never see me when I want you too. You got me going, I got you too. If you're scared, I'll come to the rescue. You know I'm falling in love, girl. I'll pick myself up in the whole world. The way you move, I'm shivering. It's a sea of love that I'm drowning in. Well, you don't know, I'll make it clear. You got someone who loves you, dear. I know you're scared, afraid of love, but I'm here to make your heart rise above. Lucy, Lucy, Lucy on my mind. Lucy, won't you choose me? Lucy on my mind. Lucy, Lucy, Lucy on my mind. Lucy, won't you choose me? Lucy on my mind. Oh, Lucy, Lucy, you got me hotter than the center of the sun. Oh, Lucy, yeah, Lucy, you got me sitting in the cool sweat. Oh, you said, Lucy, you're gonna be mine, but you know that you're not even trying. I sent you flowers just to tell you how I feel, but I still don't know if your love for me is real. I know I'm traumatizing, but when the sun is shining, I think of you. It gets my tongue tied, it gets my mind fried, it gets my eyes wide open. Now I see, so I sing. Lucy, Lucy, Lucy on my mind. Lucy, won't you choose me? Lucy on my mind. Lucy, Lucy, Lucy on my mind. Lucy, won't you choose me? Lucy on my mind. Oh, Lucy, Lucy, you get me shivers right down my backbone. Oh, Lucy, yeah, Lucy, you get me hot even when I'm in the cold. Oh, Lucille, what even is your deal? I send you all my love, but then you file an appeal. Am I mistaken? Are you still taken? It seems to me to be the latter of the two. I want you to fly into my arms, untie your chains and show me all your charm. I want you to hold me real tight. I tell you that I love you and that everything's alright. I want you to want me. I'm on my knees just to beg and just to plead. Lucy, Lucy, Lucy on my mind. Lucy, won't you choose me? Lucy on my mind. Lucy, Lucy, Lucy on my mind. Lucy, won't you choose me? Lucy on my mind. Please, please, Lucy, please, Lucy, please, please, Lucy. Feet were sore, till my knees were weak, and I couldn't travel anymore. What would I see when I travel far and wide? Would I see the world through another man's eyes? I could swim the oceans, climb mountains too, but I'd just be wondering, what kind of man are you? What kind of man are you? What kind of man are you? I see the world through your eyes, from your soul. from your soul.
Oh, you just like because it says boss on it. Into his new car and car solution. Oh, now you want to. You're all here smiles and signing autographs earlier, and now you don't even want to claim that it's your car.
Of the men who can teach their brothers. How can the restless ways from fatigue taking hooks or bus never stopping to step?
This is a monster. This is 4 doors and probably 5,000 pounds of pure fucking joy. Even if it's just a wedge.